Judicial reform is a major topic here in South Carolina, but the big question is, how does the process actually work and what needs to be fixed?
7 News State House reporter Caroline Jaffa has details. It's a story you'll see only on 7.
The debate about judicial reform is not just who picks the judges, but the main focus is magistrate appointments and making sure courts get the accurate information. In South Carolina, most judges are still selected by the General Assembly. A new law that took effect in July now gives the governor a limited role in appointing Judicial Screening Commission members. But the legislature still controls most of the process.
They expanded the committee so that the governor got more power. So the legislature gave up some of their own power voluntarily.
Another key focus is magistrate judges. They handle bail, warrants, and minor criminal cases. But they're often appointed without having law degrees or courtroom experience. And that's sparking pushback from judges, lawyers, even the governor.
That's a judicial position. That is the gateway to all of these criminal prosecutions.
Accuracy and technology are also under scrutiny. Leaders warn that outdated systems put public safety at risk. If the wrong information gets entered or if records aren't updated, the wrong people could be held or set free.
Charleston 9 shooting, that part of the problem in the system was that information regarding pending charges against Dylan Roof had not been accurately entered into the system.
Let's put new funding and improve the technology and the way criminals are classified when they come in and out of jail.
But how are these things going to get done? South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson says sometimes they base recommendations for the General Assembly off internal audits of cases.
To basically give us a report with findings and recommendations that the General Assembly can use as a roadmap to do reforms to our criminal justice system.
Governor McMaster says people in South Carolina need to trust in the judicial system.
Some people who get arrested or charged, if they have the right lawyer and the right judge, they may never see jail. That's the impression that a lot of people get, or they'll go to jail for a little while and then get out and go do it again.
But the truth is, real change is entirely in the hands of the legislature. Only lawmakers in Columbia can make these reforms, whether it's setting term limits, improving technology, or restructuring the judicial selection process. In Columbia, Caroline Jaffa, 7 News.
Representative Caskey says lawmakers are constantly thinking about judicial reform and ways to improve the system.